In this video, you will learn how to set Kp current and Ki current on the GUI. From the Kp current and Ki current drop-down lists, you can adjust the responsiveness to disturbance. The higher the Kp current and Ki current, the faster the responsiveness. But more likely, a loss of synchronization will occur. The lower the Kp current and Ki current, the slower the responsiveness. But less likely, a loss of synchronization will occur. So, you need to adjust Kp current and Ki current based on possible disturbances that your application might have. Increase Kp current with fixed Ki current. Decrease Kp current with fixed Ki current. Increase Ki current with fixed Kp current. Decrease Ki current with fixed Kp current. Adjust Kp current and Ki current at once. According to these test methods, we'll adjust Kp current and Ki current, and check actual motor operations and waveforms. Let's start with test 1 and check motor operations and waveforms. Increase Kp current from 0.5 while fixing Ki current at 0.5. One. 2. 4. 8. 16. 32. When Kp current was increased to 32, the current waveform started to fluctuate strongly and the motor made an abnormal noise. 128. 256. Now, let's go on to test 2 and see motor operations and waveforms. Decrease Kp current from 0.5 while fixing Ki current at 0.5. Zero 0.25. 0.125. 0.063. 0.031. 0.016. 0.008. Kp current was decreased to 0.008. This time, the current waveforms and motor operations were stable throughout the test. From tests 1 and 2, our demo motor showed that Kp current can be set from 0.008 to 16 when Ki current is 0.5. Let's move on to test 3 and check motor operations and waveforms. Increase Ki current from 0.5 while fixing Kp current at 0.5. One. 2. 4. 8. 16. 32. 64. When Ki current was increased to 64, the current waveform started to fluctuate strongly and the motor made an abnormal noise. 256. Next, let's go on to test 4 and see motor operations and waveforms. Decrease Ki current from 0.5 while fixing Kp current at 0.5. 0.25. 0.125. 0.063, 0.031, 0.016, 0.008. Ki current was decreased to 0.008. This time, the current waveforms and motor operations were stable throughout the test. From tests 3 and 4, our demo motor showed that Ki current can be set from 0.008 to 32 when Kp current is 0.5. Lastly, let's see how motor operations and waveforms change in test 5. Adjust Kp current and Ki current at once. 16. 32. As Kp current and Ki current were increased to 32, the current waveform started to fluctuate strongly and the motor made an abnormal noise. 256. 0.5. 0.125. 0.008. Kp current and Ki current were decreased to 0.008. The current waveforms and motor operations were stable this time. From test 5, our demo motor showed that both Kp current and Ki current can be set from 0.008 to 16. Select values that will be suitable for your application. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you.